My name's Brian Pannebecker. I live in Macomb County, Michigan. I'll be turning 60 years old in about a week. I'm nearing retirement. After bouncing around a little bit, I hired in at Ford Motor Company, and I've been working for Ford Motor Company for 23 years now. My wife and I like to exercise and work out. We walk together, we bike ride together. My wife and I like to travel a little bit, and as I'm getting closer to retirement, one of the considerations that I had was having enough money to take some trips. Our family is very important to us. We want to be able to enjoy our retirement years and spend time with our sons and their families down the road. I'm going to have a small pension coming to me from the 11 years that I worked at Chrysler Corporation, and I'll have 24 years with Ford Motor Company when I retire in 18 months. But neither one of them are going to be big enough to rely on, so I've got some money in my 401k that I recently rolled over into an IRA with Augusta Precious Metals. If I schedule an appointment, I can go to the depository where my silver is going to be held, and I can actually see the silver that I've invested in. I can hold it in my hands. There's several out there that offer investing, and you see a lot of advertisements on television. But Augusta made the process very simple. They answered all my questions. They explained everything to me very clearly. And I just felt very comfortable with Augusta. I'm looking forward to some traveling, spending some time with my family, some good years of retirement. And Augusta's going to help me do that.
I trust that the metals are always going to be worth something, gold or silver. I called 3 or 4 companies and I chose Augusta because they were very friendly, very knowledgeable, everybody that I had contact with, and they made it really easy. I found the right one that I could trust, and I felt comfortable each step. Just they told me exactly how to do it, what to do, and it was stress-free. That's the best way I can explain it. It was stress-free. Most of the paperwork, which there wasn't a lot, a couple forms I had to sign and fill out, we did on the computer, and never had to leave the house. I think what I most remember is Roy Tate was very knowledgeable and really friendly, and I could talk to him one-on-one, and it made things very easy. In fact, I've made a second transaction with them. So if they weren't good and I didn't feel comfortable, I certainly wouldn't have went back again.